Hello everyone, welcome to Maths class. Today we will discuss about the multiplication of two-digit number in which the sum of tens place digit is 10 and ones place digit are same. The first question for that I have taken, that is 49 multiply 69. In this number, this ones place digit 9 and 9 are same, and the tens place digit, that is 4 and 6, the sum of tens place digit is 10. The main thing that you have to keep in your mind, the ones place digit is same and the sum of the tens place digit is 10. So how can you solve this type of sum? First of all, 9 nines are 81. So write here 81. Now the next step is multiply 4 and 6. 4 6 are 24 and 24 and 9. First multiply 4 and 6, that is 24, and then add this number. This is 9. So answer will be 33. So write here 33. This is the answer of this number 49 multiply 69. Next part is 77 multiply 37. Ones place digit is same, 7 and 7, and the sum of the tens place digit is 10. So same rule we will follow here. 7 sevens are 49. Now 7 threes are 21 and plus 7, this is 28. So answer will be 2849. The third one example is 47 multiply 67. Ones place digit is same and the sum of the tens place digit is 10. So what we have to do, 7 sevens are 49. Now 4 6 are 24 and 24 plus 7. 24 plus 7 is 31. So answer will be 3149. Here we will discuss another one example, that is 38 multiply 78. Ones place digit is same and the sum of the tens place digit is 10. So what we have to do, 8 eights are 64. Now 3 sevens are 21 and 21 plus 8, this is 29. Next part is 44 multiply 64. Here ones place digit is 4 and 4 same and the sum of the tens place digit is 10. So 4 fours are 16 and now 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. The answer will be 2816. One more example we will discuss here, that is 82 multiply 22. In the similar way that we have done earlier, first we have to multiply 2 and 2. 2 twos are 4, but we have to write here 04 because हमने यहाँ पे 2 डिजिट्स में लिखना है. जैसे यहाँ पे 16 आया तो हमने 16 लिख दिया, बट यहाँ पे 4 आया तो 4 के आगे हम क्या लगाएंगे, 10. द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज 8 twos are 16 and 16 plus 2 is 18. So I think this rule is clear to you. If the ones place digit is same and the sum of the tens place digit is 10, you have to follow this rule. Thanks and have a nice day.